okutongoza Kyanyamahane Role Model Village kwayebemberwa Minister Honorable Martin Mugara owajwekera Minister w'ebyoburambuzi n'amahamba Honorable Tom Butime. Omukoro gwakorwa Harshaga Gorilla Camp omurubuguru Town Council. Minister Martin Mugara yasime ekitongore kya BMCT ahabwa okuhereza abatwitaka hamwe n'okubombekera.
I want to thank the trust for the good work we visited the school, found the Batwa in the school, very interesting. Of course, there was a bit of worry, like you clearly said, most of them drop out somewhere in the middle to go get married. But I think we will just continue talking to the Batwa and giving them such incentives so that they can maybe have a better life and therefore benefit from the other government projects.
Oghona yasime emirimo ya BMCT eyerukoro mu Uganda nukwe kushaba ngo bagumize bakwase gavumenti omukutungura emibereho y'abatwa.
Because this trust was started by the government of the Republic of Uganda. Yes. It is very important that comes out clear. And even the board that runs the fund is appointed by the Minister of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities. So it is a government fund. But of course, with the mainly assistance from the partners. But we need to start discussing on how we can support better. And this is the discussion we'll have. So one, thank you for the good work. One, thank you for the wonderful project that we just launched to do with the Batwa. It is not alleged, it is very true that the Batwa indeed stayed in these forests.
Hona nagirango abatwa bakabingo mu kibiro mwaka gwa 1992 nekigenderwa cya government okwenda kurinda amahamba n'enyamishwa nahabwe cyo mushoro kurwo mahamba bashemerire kuhera abatwa.
But it's important that we look at the Batwa and how they can benefit more than what we are giving them, because we are indebted to them. And this is a discussion that His Excellency the President has been having. There has been a special paper in Cabinet presented because of these minority groups, the Batwa. There are some tribes around Mount Elgon, the Benet and the Yik, and just special focus. And it has been an area where the President has had a lot of interest.
Wilberforce Mwije orukura ekitongore kya BMCT nagirango ebintu bimwe BMCT twirene korra abaturage mu Kigezi netekwa kwijaguma nebikora.
Ekyo kubanza okukorana abaturage abayitorira amahamba abiri erya Bwindi n'erya Mugahinga okugira ngo batunguke omu byentasiya yabo amisho bagiha by'amahamba bagate ahantunguke yabo nk'abantu haza bakurinda amahamba. Inamba ya kabiri nanoku yamba ekitongore cya uwa kugira ngo kibase kureberera enyamishwa kurizibira enyamishwa zeze kuja kutahira abantu zikona nk'emisiri umuringo gundi no kubyara nk'emikwatangwe kuzibira nk'enyamishwa zeze kwijanka za baboni zikarye emisiri. Then namba ya kashatu no gukora nabo ekitongore cya research Institute of Tropical Forest Conservation ITFC kugira ngo bakore research mahamba gita abiri irya Bwindi n'irya Mugahinga gabase kugumana tureba nigakibasa kureberera enyamisho zirumu.
Wilberforce hona nagirango BMCT mazire myaka erukurenga 30 erukwatsa abatwa omucanga cya Kigezi.
BMCT kuyatandikira mwaka gwa 1994 ekashanga abatwa bahereze kubiho mu mahamba agabiri. Mwena abatwabo bakambasibano bazerero mihanda batini itaka. So nka conservation organization kuyatandikire twareba ngo kintu ekyo tukikaba kirungi abantu abargira omuyamba kandi bakumanya amahamba munonga bakagumiraho batini itaka.
Dr. James Musinguzi omukuru wa Uganda Wildlife Authority yayereko kushemerwa okureba ngo ekitongore cya Uganda Wildlife Authority bakakwatanisa na BMCT okurinda ebibera n'enyamishwa.
Putting at the front line the communities, and therefore we want to pledge that we shall continue supporting Bwindi Mugahinga Conservation Trust.
Barukutongoza Kyanyamahane Role Model Village abatwa bashaba government okongera kuba kwasombye entunguka babase no kwihaya abandi bakirye nyuma.
Turi turataha mwihamba turataha mu bitindi twa turataha mu bitindi mukuruga mwihamba tukarugamo batutaha cyaro mu bakiga mukuza mu bakiga batuhakataka twayikaramu konka tunari mu mbera mbi turiyo turi kubonabona ati twaenda ko kuharura hibaraza abakiga batubarira mutaharuraho kugira ngo tugume tukore ki tubakorere hati ruhanga kuyatuyambire twabone kitongore cya trust na MDCT yatuhikamo yatuhakataka yatwombekera ngeno aho niho turikusimira ruhanga
uburigwemo kejo kutureberera kandi ababutoci bwe tawe burakora mwirima gwaba gutimbire abana bari kucira kwitera habishika barahutara natulene kumutuberereyo ko bushora bwo kutubeshaho hamwe n'amatungo bwo kutureberera
abatwa abarukutura harubaju rw'ekibira cya Bwindo mu wodi ya Rushango mu town council ya Rubuguri mu district ya Kisoro bakwasubwa amaju 8 gamazireho sente z'urwingana miliyoni 200 kurwo mu gitongore cya Bwindo mu Gahinga Conservation Trust kandi byabahizoberi barukutongoze cyaro cya Cyanyamahane eco kureberaho
atahaga mu nzu yo binyasi yakatindi konka hati ruhanga kakanya hamwe ndaza haboneye
ko cyo nobere ndenda mazima gona turabeta gwa kitaka zeni natubone mu nkezo y'imbuzi n'ingezi inte kuja natwe tubase gukora ki kuja natwe tubase kutunga natugume turanye ko amate
omwaka gwa 1992 nubwo government binga abantu bono mahamba ga government bitera herize batwo mwanya gwo kuturamo kandi abatwa binji tibineho kutura kandi batwire nbayambwe kitongore ki omwaka gw'2023 bakasinga government urubanja rwo kuba bingo mwihamba etabaherizeho kutura bitu nabwe government ekagumiza muyajuruza na hatabakiri omukoti amakuraga gashakwa Kate atuzarire